We'll begin by weighing out our magnesium. This will be a couple of different steps. First, Heather's going to mark 2 pieces of weigh paper with 1 and then 2. Now fold the papers. Now, just as a matter of efficiency, Heather's going to weigh out both of the magnesium samples at once. There's a close-up, and there's our mass. Next sample. And there's our mass. Now it's time to open Logger Pro. We go to the Logger Pro file, we pick a pre-made method, open it. It gives us this dialog box because the thermistor is not connected. So now we connect it. Everything goes live, and you notice that we're now reading a temperature. And now we'll measure out the acid, or that is to say, we'll mass the acid. Heather's already mixed the acid. We're not going to show you that step more than once. So she's zeroed the scale. Now notice something really important here. She is not attempting to pour the acid into the cup on the scale. Don't ever, ever do that. So here's our mass. Final number. And now on to the analysis. There's the stir bar. Down to the tape mark. We jump over to our screen. We're now recording data, as you notice. And now it's time to add the magnesium. As quickly as I can move, I can't get back there fast enough to catch the very first part of the curve. It really takes off. So you notice we're at 75, 77, 78 seconds now. And already it's slightly turning over. Coming up on the 2-minute mark, we are definitely starting to see our line curve over. We're near the top. Notice we've had stability now for quite a few seconds. 31.5. And now we're going down the other side so we can confidently stop the reaction. Or excuse me, the recording of the reaction. And here's our answers. We used the statistics button on the toolbar to pull up this dialog box here, and it gives us the information we need. We've appended the other important information as you see. So there's your results. And on to the next run. Zero the cup. And here comes our mass. Stir bean. I'll back up a bit here so you can get a better view of the whole unit. And there's the magnesium. You'll notice that we got into this run a little bit later. Took a little extra to get the camera focused. But we still see the entire graph. And it's tracking very much the way the last one did. Very similar runs. And we're very close to the top, at the top. A few seconds later now you see that we have begun to drop our temperature, and here's our final statistics.